Elimination method. Hello there, welcome to Masomo Smart Online School. Today, we are learning simultaneous equations through elimination method. But before we get started, have you checked our website www.masomosmartonlineschool.com? Solution by elimination is used to solve simultaneous equations where neither variable is given as subject of the equation. In this method, we make the coefficients of x or y the same size but opposite in sign. We then add the equations, which has the effect of eliminating one of the variables. In problems where the coefficients of x or y are not same in size and opposite in sign, we need to multiply the equation by a constant. We are going to learn this through attempting two questions. And the first one is, solve 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 and x minus 2y is equals to 3. So the first thing we do is to rewrite the equation and check to see if we have any variables that are same in size but opposite in sign. And in our equation there, the y variable has those characteristics. So what do? We go ahead and add the variables. So 3x plus x gives us 4x plus 2y plus minus 2y gives us 0. And then 5 plus 3 gives us 8. So what we are left with is 4x is equals to 8, which helps us find the value of x very easily because we just cancel out and find that x is equals to 2. Note that when you are adding the variables in the equation, you take the sign that is just in front of the variable as part of the variable. So if we have x as 2, it is easy to find the value of y. And how do we find it? We just replace x in one of the equations to find the value of y. So in this case, we pick up the 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 equation, and then we put x, which is 2, in the place of x to find that 6 plus 2y is equals to 5. We put the like terms together. We will have 2y is equals to 5 minus 6. And then we can now go ahead and find the value of y, which will be y is equals to negative 1 over 2. And that is how we solve the simultaneous equation. In this particular type of equations, we are supposed to find the value of x and the value of y. I hope you noted the steps so that we can go on and attempt the second question. And the second question is, solve 3x plus 2y is equals to negative 2 and 5x minus y is equals to 27. So the first thing we do again is to rewrite the equation and check whether we have any variables that are same size and opposite in sign. In this particular equation, we do not have any variables that are same size and opposite in sign, which means that we will have to multiply one of the equations with a variable. So in this particular case, I want us to have the variable y as the one we will work with. And to make them equal, we just need to make the second equation have a 2y, which is possible by multiplying it by 2. And when you multiply by 2, you multiply these 2 across the whole equation. So if you see what you have done there, we have multiplied 2 times 5x, 2 times negative y, and 2 times 27 to get what we have there. We then add the equations, the variables, where we have 3x plus 10x gives us 13x. The y cancels out, and the constant negative 2 plus 54 gives us 52. So we have 13x is equals to 52, and when we cancel out, x is equals to 4. So the value of x is 4. We are now left with finding the value of y, which is your assignment. Kindly find y and put it on the comment section. Let us know what is the value of y. Thank you for watching. You can like, comment, or share. Goodbye.